Alright, this is a quick tutorial for the more advanced ring juggler. I'm going to show you how I hold more than 3 rings in one hand, because if you want to juggle 6, 7 and upwards, you need to know how to start this pattern. And I couldn't find this information anywhere. I know Anthony Gatto had on his old website when I was still online, very clear series of photos where explaining it, but now it's disappeared and I want to bring it back so you know how to start 7 rings, 9 rings, whatever. So, you know when you juggle rings, you just try and catch them like that. You know when you start at 3 rings, you start with the hand that has the most amount of rings, and then you put your pinky in between. That's how I do it. Some people do their pointer finger, put it in between the rings. I always put my pinky in between the rings. Then when I go for 5 rings, I put my pinky and my ring finger in between the rings. Then when I move to the 7 rings, I do it like that. So I have my pinky, my ring finger, middle finger, I have it like this. And then the one that is closest to the middle of my body, that's the one I throw first. Now the super challenging part. If you want to go for 9 rings, you run out of fingers. So I clip the last ring between my pointer finger and my thumb. This is how I do it. And I spoke with Albert Lucas. Albert Lucas has the world record for the most amount of rings ever juggled. He did 13 rings, 14 rings for one cycle. And he advised me to hold the last ring just like this. So he said, now you have 2 contact points. So you throw the ring out like that. So you have 2 contact points here to guide the ring, to give it the right angle. For me that was challenging because I always start like this. And here I only have 1 contact point, but for me it's easier because I can really give it, like hold it like solidly and really launch it that way. And with this one I don't have the force, but like it's just a matter of what you practice most. Also when you go to very high numbers, I advise you to practice the release. Like it's a challenge to release the rings in the right way. So the way I do it is like 1, 2, 3, boom. And then I just practice releasing it, because when you juggle, of course the part is the release, then keeping them in the air and then collecting them all. So that way I have the releasing part out of the way and I can focus to the keeping them in the air part, which is already difficult enough, which you know if you're watching this tutorial. So good luck, hope this had some value for you, and I hope to see your videos of you juggling 8, 9 and upwards very, very soon. So good luck.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.